In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Airbnb 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter your details correctly so your next reservation is smooth and ready to book. Start by opening your browser and heading to airbnb.com, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're using your own secure login and that you're on the official website. If you use the mobile app, the flow is very similar, so you can follow along there as well. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the page for your profile icon, click it, and choose Account. This is your central hub for personal information, security, and payments, so it's the right place to manage how you pay for stays and experiences. Inside Account, find the section labeled Payments and Payouts. A quick note here, payments are how you pay as a guest, while payouts are for hosts receiving money. Today we're focusing on the payment side. Open Payments and Payouts, then go to Payment Methods to see what you already have on file. Next, select Add Payment Method. Airbnb will show you the options available for your country and currency. In most places, you'll see credit card and debit card. In some regions, you may also see PayPal or other local methods. If something you expect isn't visible, it's typically due to regional availability or the currency you're using. If you're adding a card, enter the card number exactly as it appears, choose the correct expiration date, and type the CVV or security code. Add your billing address and ensure it matches what your bank has on file, including postal code. Small typos or a mismatch in the address are common reasons cards fail to save, so take a moment to double check everything. Make sure the name on the card matches your account details as well. If you choose PayPal or a local wallet, you may be redirected to securely sign in and authorize Airbnb to use that method. Complete the authorization, then you'll return to Airbnb automatically. When everything looks right, click Save. You may notice a brief verification or a small temporary authorization from your bank. This is a standard security check and usually disappears shortly. After saving, you should see your new method listed under Payment Methods ready to use at checkout. If you run into issues, confirm your card supports online and international transactions.